Hi, so for this week's question, I had a potential client in who wasn't happy about his corporation tax bill that his previous accountant had issued him. And he said to me, my mate says if I go and buy a £20,000 truck, I will save £4,000 in corporation tax. Well, technically, yes, that's true. But there are three other things that you really need to consider before going out and buying an asset. Firstly, do you need it? It's pretty pointless going to spend £20,000 to save £4,000 in tax on something you don't really need, because the end result is you'll have a £16,000 asset hanging around that's not earning you any money, and your bank account will be £16,000 lighter. Secondly, can the business afford it at the moment? So that's from a profitability point of view. Have you looked at where your profitability is at the moment? And can it afford the cash outflow of £20,000? So it's looking at your cash flow forecast. Particularly next year, we've potentially got Brexit coming up. So I'd be saying hold on to your money at the moment, just because we're unsure about what's going on in the future. Thirdly, are there better ways that you can utilise that money? This guy hadn't been on holiday for 3 years. Your business is meant to sort of help you service your personal life. You're not here just to work. So are you better just suffering the tax and going on holiday? Or is the business expenditure that you're planning to make that could be brought forward? Things like a new website, things like repair bills that need to be made. Dare I say it, you could make a pension contribution. So there's lots of things to consider when buying a new asset, and just making rash decisions for corporation tax purposes can have a real deficit on your business cash flow. So really sort of consider it. Look at where your profit and loss account is at the moment, what money it's making, and look at the potential cash flow impact, And if you do need the asset, sometimes it's worth looking at, is leasing better than buying the asset outright? So I hope that's helped. Any questions or queries, let me know. Thank you. Bye.